Ishika and Tarun. Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Ishika. So today I am going on with my activity book. Today we will do an activity. So let's do it. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do today. So let's read what is given. Magic Quest. It's time to explore fantastic lands with this 4-player game. To play this game, all you need is a dice and 2 coins, or make your own using the provided pieces on the last page. So here's how we have to do it. So now it's written the characters. It's written you can be any one of these wonderful creatures. Number 1 is Ariana the unicorn. Number 2 is Gary the ghost. Number 3 is Marina the mermaid. And number 4 is Robin the dinosaur. So here is a whole big place which we can go. So we just move through it fully and we complete the quest using 4 players. So let's go to the last page and see our characters. Okay, so here is all of the pieces which is over here. Let's read what is given below. It is given. Use these counters and DIY dice to play the game on page 16-17 for character counters. Simply pop it out and fold for the dice. Pop it out. Fold on the folding lines and glue where it is indicated. So here are our characters. So let's pop out the dice. Okay, so I have popped out the dice. Let us first pop out all of our characters and then let us glue them and fold them. Let's take out Marina the mermaid. Okay, so now I have taken out all of our characters. Here it is. Here they are. Okay, so now let us fold them and glue them. Okay, so first let us start with the dice. So here is a dotted line. So that means we have to fold it there. And here it is written that gluing flap, and gluing flaps. So now we will fold this. Let us do it. Okay, so this is how it looks after folding. So we should glue it. It keeps removing, so let us glue it. Okay, so all my characters are ready. Here is Ariana the unicorn. Here is Gary the ghost. Here is Marina the mermaid and Robin the dinosaur. And here is my dice. Now let us start playing the game. I will choose Ariana the unicorn. So let's roll the dice. I got 6. So let's go to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I came to 6. Now let us ask Tarun. Tarun, come here. Roll the dice. Okay, so Tarun got number 5. So let's move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, stepped on unicorn poop. Missed a turn. So Tarun missed a turn. So now let us do for me. I got 6 too. Yay! I got 3. Let's move to the winners. 1, 2, 3. Yay! My quest is complete. I've won. Yay! So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and share this video with your friends. Bye everyone.